Hi, welcome back. This is the overview for the universal map. It's currently in beta, which means we're still working on it, but it is a combination of the housing map and the contracts map, and it's also a vehicle for us to add the new mapping projects like the Guinness heat map. Works in exactly the same way. We can click on the map to load the stock data. You will see over here the housing stock is loaded as it did before. As always, we can isolate the this is isolating Charnwood Borough Council stock within the other stock, so everyone else's stock turns grey and the selected turns purple or stays purple. Or we can just pull up all the stock for one housing association. And while we're doing that, it's going to load in the organisation data, it's going to load information about the selected organisation, as you can see down here, housing stock, and then various metrics down the bottom. We can also now highlight individual properties, and we're going to load those properties in here in the property data. And as you can see, if there is an EPC attached, where we can show the you can view the EPC details. We can do more on that later. It's just no one's asked us. But information on the property type, area information, so a lot more information about each property. But also you can move from the property data to the organisation data. And you can pull up the Waterloo, and we'll load their stock. That will load over there. We'll also go back to here. We'll also pick out this. There is a lot, we are doing a lot of work on this. There's a lot of tweaking to be done, especially with the speed of loading up these mapping points. But that's as it was in the housing map. So search contracts is up here, select trades, maximum of 10. We'll go for kitchen and bathroom, apply. So now we're going to be looking at all the kitchen and bathroom contracts, same as usual, color coded. So there's a traffic light system. But now when we are looking at a contract, we can click on the contract and then it's going to open up the actual contract details. So it's going to open up the contract award notice. So the contract selected, change to different color, markers load, tenders, and the actual contract shows. We can actually, as always, we can pin this to our favorites list, and we can also select the time frame, select satisfaction repairs, and we can also start looking at the contractor. So if we start searching for Liberty Group is there. Now we're going to look at, so we've selected a contract, and now we're going to look at, if we're looking at, for ourselves, for your own company, we're looking at whether you have people on the ground nearby. So is that a contract that can be serviceable? So do you either have area offices or contracts? So if I open that out, we're going to start seeing all the Liberty office addresses and any contracts that we've got matching that description. So these are all going to be for kitchen bathroom contracts. The other points about the map are, I'm just going to close that. Property data and the map and base layers, so the usual greenfield, floodplain, brownfield, and some other map visualizations. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.